A for ant. A for apple. B for ball. B for bag. C for cow. C for cat. D for dog. D for duck. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for frog. G for goat. G for goose. H for hen. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for eyes. J for jug. J for jar. K for kite. K for king. L for lion. L for lamb. M for mango. M for monkey. N for nest. N for net. O for owl. O for onion. P for parrot. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for quill. R for rat. R for rabbit. S for ship. S for star. T for tiger. T for tap. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for violet. V for van. W for well. W for water. X for Xmas. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all. Bye bye.